So we have a need to do a little bit better brushing, and we're going to show the Plaque HD in action. This is the Plaque HD plaque identifying toothpaste with the Targetol technology. It is definitely dark green here, dark bluish green. Here's what it looks like on the brush, and we're going to just get it on all over the teeth right now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get the Plaque HD on the teeth all over. So we use a little bit more than normal just so you can really see it good. So we're wiping it on. Here is with the Plaque HD rinsed off, and you can see all the green in there of the plaque that we missed. And so we're going to go ahead and brush off all that green. Right, start brushing. These little circles all by the gum. This is what it looks like with everything cleaned off, and you can see now all the plaque is completely gone. There is no green or blue left in there.